So here's how to add Stripe to Shopify. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Shopify account. Once you are logged into your Shopify account, now here you have to simply click on the settings icon at the bottom left corner. After that, it will open this pop-up window. From here, you have to simply click on the payments option from the left panel. Moving on, you have to click on the payment providers option, and once you click on it, now it will open this page. Here you have to search for the Stripe as a payment option. Now as you can see, it's showing me that Stripe unavailable in your country. I'm simply gonna click on it to set up my Stripe account. Then here you have to enter your email address first and then click on the next or continue option. After that, select your password and again click on the continue. Now you have to copy this code and save it for later use or later purposes. You can also download this code and then click on the next. Here at this page, you have to first choose your location and then type of your business. Now at this form, you have to fill in the form details. Make sure that you are filling the details correctly, and after that you have to follow all of the prompts. Once your account is successfully created, now it will automatically connect it to your Shopify store. So that's how to connect Stripe to Shopify.